TIBCO Cloud Integration is an integration platform as a service. With its open platform core, it provides access to technology to accelerate the time to market. The marketplace is the mechanism to reach more users. It is also a powerful tool to share and distribute apps, connectors, and solutions to your end users and customers. The marketplace provides a platform to showcase everything from use case or vertical specific solutions to end-to-end solutions. There are two types of software code submissions you can make to the marketplace. A connector is a piece of software used to move data between specific applications using those applications' APIs, SDKs, or third-party libraries. These connectors are TIBCO Cloud Integration Capability Specific for TIBCO Cloud Integration Connect, powered by Scribe, and TIBCO Cloud Integration Develop, powered by Flogo. An application is a container for one or more flows, data mappings, and logic, often using connectors. Applicable applications include TIBCO Cloud Integration Connect and Develop apps. Let's start the demonstration for a provider to list an application to the marketplace. Log in to TIBCO Cloud Integration and select the appropriate organization. Navigate to the Apps List page and open up the app you want to add to the marketplace. On the App Details page, select the Add Marketplace Listing option next to the app name at the top of the page. The Create Marketplace Listing dialog will display. Complete the fields provided on the Create Marketplace Listing dialog. Enter the name of the listing with which it should be listed on the marketplace. Click Add Custom Icon to include an icon in the listing card displayed in the center pane of the marketplace. Browse to select the icon file or drag the icon file onto the pop-up displayed. You must have legal clearance for any icon you include in a marketplace listing. Select the option Free if you are contributing an item to the marketplace that is open source and available to all TIBCO Cloud Integration users based on the TIBCO Contributor Licensing Agreement, or CLA. Or select the option Paid if you are contributing an item to the community that might be part of a service or other option you offer. The request URL is the URL you specify where the users can fill out a form or make a payment or whatever process you require to provide the user access. Click on the Add EULA link and enter the link to provide the URL where the end user license is hosted for this listing. Click on Additional Info link to add the URL for any documentation or marketing pages you want to provide for this listing. This is optional. Repeat the same for video if you want to upload a video supporting the listing. In the description box, add a description to describe the listing on the marketplace. Select from the tags provided. Search for an appropriate tag and select it. If you have suggestions on additional tags, please reach out directly to the product management team at integration-pm@tibco.com. Click on View Preview and verify the preview of the listing. Click Exit Preview to come back to the editing window. Now click on Publish Privately. Verify the message showing the marketplace item has been posted. Private listings can be accessed by anyone in your organization, but do not display for other organizations unless you add the organization to the listing. To make the listing public, go to the marketplace and select the asset you just published privately. On the right-hand side, click on the vertical ellipses and select Change Visibility to Public. Check the box to agree to terms, including the Contributor License Agreement. Finally, click the button I agree and submit for approval. Notice the status stating Pending TIBCO Approval. Please check your email for details on submissions and any questions which might come up. Also, if you want to withdraw the request, go back to the vertical ellipses and select the last option to withdraw pending listing. TIBCO reviews the listing, including the name, description, and other details. TIBCO checks to make sure this information appears to be accurate and does not violate TIBCO's terms of use. Details are captured in the program guide. Once it is approved, you should receive a confirmation email. After it's approved, go back to TIBCO Cloud Integration and select the Marketplace tab. Locate your application and verify it has Public displayed on the application card. Now the application is publicly available across all organizations. The same process should be followed for Flogo extensions, which are referred to as connectors in the Marketplace. Once an item is listed on the Marketplace, users can request the items for their use. This section demonstrates how a user requests an asset from the Marketplace. Users need to log into TIBCO Cloud Integration and go to the Marketplace tab. Once you are there, select the app or connector which you want to access. Notice a Request button. Click the Request button. Click Request from Provider. It opens the request URL provided in the listing. Now the request is pending with the provider. This video demonstrates how a provider of the asset sees and manages the requests. Go to the Marketplace item and notice the message One Access Request. To view and manage the requests, go to the Marketplace item and click on the vertical ellipses. Select Manage Access for Orgs. In the pop-up window, you will see requests to get access to the asset. The status of this request is pending approval. If the request is made from a private account, the user requests the partner to provide the subscription locator. Verify the options Reject and Approve. Click on Approve to approve the request and verify the status of the request is changed to Approve. The requester needs to then log in to TIBCO Cloud Integration and select the Marketplace tab. Select the requested listing. Once the request is approved by the provider, the button for the requester changes to Get. Click on the Get button. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Create App to create the app. This will open the App tab and successfully creates the app which you requested through the Marketplace. The Marketplace also allows you to manage the organizations manually. To do so, it needs a subscription locator from the requester. To get the subscription locator, go to the Environment and Tool tabs. Under the Environment settings, select Security Settings. On the left-hand side, see Subscription Locator. Copy the ID to be used in the next step. Now, the provider who wants to manage the organizations manually needs to log into the Marketplace and select the Marketplace item. Click on the vertical ellipses option. Select Manage Access for Orgs. Verify the pop-up window lists the organization and their access status. Click Add Subscription. Enter the value copied for the subscription locator and click Find Organization. Click on Grant Access. There is also an option to revoke the access to the particular organization. Once added, click Done. And now the organization added manually has access to this Marketplace listing.